The Naked Scientist's Question of the Week, brought to you in association with the Houter Wisman Foundation, supporting science and education from Alpha to Omega.
Hi, I'm Georgia, and welcome to Question of the Week from The Naked Scientist. This week, we've been getting a little choked up about this question from listener Samira.
Do emotional or pain-induced tears differ? Is it possible to test tears and deduce if they are related to physical pain or emotion? If so, what is the difference between the two?
Can we test the difference between tears of sadness or tears caused by irritants in your eye? To start with, why do people get so watery-eyed? With the answer is Professor Vingerhoots, a motion and tear expert from Tilburg University.
Crying predominantly expresses powerlessness or the strong desire to be reunited with a lost valued person, object or location. The advantage of crying aloud is that it's emitted in all directions. It's then very likely to be heard by parents who can provide care, but this means it may also be heard by predators. Most mammal offspring will make distress calls if separated from their carers. However, humans are the only species who shed emotional tears. The advantage of crying tears, a visual signal, is that it cannot be detected in the same way by predators, but may easily be seen by the parents or caregivers.
So tears are a way of sending a visual signal of distress to your parents or carers. Can you tell why someone was crying just by looking at their tears?
Physical pain tears and emotional tears are both produced by the same glands above the eyes. Like other glands, such as salivary glands or sweat glands, they are connected to our bloodstream. Some ingredients of the tears originate from the blood, and the composition of blood can be affected by hormones, which in turn are affected by exposure to stressors and your emotional state. This could lead us to think that tears produced in different emotional states could differ in their composition. However, a great deal of mystery still surrounds this idea. Over 30 years ago, American researchers compared the biochemical composition of emotional and irritant onion tears and found that the emotional tears contained more proteins. However, that has never been replicated and we don't know what this would mean.
So hormones in your bloodstream can enter your tears through the tear glands, changing the chemical makeup, but the jury is still out on just why this occurs. However, research from the Weizmann Institute of Science has shown that female tears contain chemicals that can cause a reduction in male libido, but only when the tears were emotional and not from getting something in your eye. Next time, we're hoping to shine some light on this question from Benji.
Can we use solar panels in space? If so, how could the energy produced be sent back to Earth?
Could extraterrestrial solar panels be the next bright idea? And how would they be able to power our homes down here on Earth? What do you think? You can post on our Naked Scientist Facebook page, tweet @NakedScientist, email studio@thenakedscientist.com, or join in the debate on our forum, which is at nakedscientist.com/forum.
The Naked Scientist's Question of the Week, brought to you in association with the Houter Wisman Foundation, supporting science and education from Alpha to Omega.